Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video we learned about the basic structure of HTML. Okay, that what is HTML all about and what should be the structure of HTML and what kind of tags you can use, that is paired and unpaired. Okay, now in this video we will learn about basic tags which you can use for formatting purpose in HTML. Okay, now let's start. Open this particular editor, that is Sublime Text, which I told you last time that I am going to use this particular editor, and follow the same steps which I used last time. Every time you want to make a new file, just save it first. Okay, and I would like to save is in this particular folder, that is HTML files, and that just give the name formatting. .html should be the extension, you all know. Okay, save it. And by giving the angular bracket, just type HTML and press enter just to give a particular structure. Okay, I just write it formatting tags in HTML. Okay, I told you about a meta tag last time. This one, meta character set is equal to UTF-8. This we will learn in later stage. Okay, so this you can see is your you can say the structure of the HTML page. Okay, now for the formatting purpose, formatting means whenever you want to increase or decrease the size of the text. Okay, you want to bold it, you want to make a italic text, you want to make it underline. Okay, you want to change some colors, that all comes under formatting output. Okay, now if I say let it be I would like to write hypertext markup language. Okay, I just write this one, hypertext markup language. Okay, now what I want is, if I see the output of this page after saving it, okay, you all know how to save it and you know how to see the output. I just save the file in my folder. Okay, open that particular folder, this one, I just save it with my H drive. This is my folder which I am putting my all the files, and just double click on the file to see the output in your browser. Okay, now you can see this is the output. Okay, this will be the title which will come over here, and whatever you will write in the body, that is your images, your text, or your videos, your sounds, that will appear onto the body of the web page. Now what I want is, I want to set the formatting of this particular output. Then there are so many formatting tags available. So first of all, I am going to start with the heading tags. Okay, I would like to start with the heading tags. See, I just give it here, heading tags like this. Okay, this is my topic. Now what I want is, I want to make a comment it like this. Now you know what are comments in every programming. You can see, if you learn about programming, you can see there are reference text which cannot be executed, which cannot be rendered as an output. So for that purpose you have to make that text as a comment. In HTML this is the way how you can make a comment: angular bracket, sano exclamation, hyphen, and whatever text you want to write as a reference, just write it, and just give minus, or you can say hyphen, at the end just close the angle bracket. It makes it as a comment which will not rendered as an output onto the web page. If I see the output after saving it, okay, save the file and just refresh it, you can see there is no changes as per this particular heading. Okay, this is just for my reference purpose. Now what I want to do is, I want to make it as a formatting tag. I want to make it a formatting. What I have to do, I'm going to use the heading tags. You can see there are 6 levels of heading available in our HTML. Okay, ranging from H1 to H6. Okay, if I start with H1 tag and close that tag with H1, you all know this is a pair tag, this is opening, this is closing. It makes it a paired. Okay, the combination of opening and closing tag. If I save it, save the file, and just refresh the browser to see the output, you can see the output. Now this is called heading tag. Okay, to make the text larger. This is the largest size available in HTML. Okay, you can see there are 6 level headings ranging from H1 to H6. I just copy it and just paste it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I just give it H2, 3, 4. Okay, 4, 5, and then you can say 6. Okay, and just close it like this, h2 3 4 5 and then 6. Okay, save the file and just refresh our browser. You can see the output. Okay, you can see h1 is the largest text and the h6 is the smallest text, means this is called the larger size and this is called smallest size. These 6 kind of heading tags are available. You can use as per the requirement of your web page, that what size you want to display of your text. Okay, you can see if you want to define the text larger than this, then you have to implement the properties of CSS. Okay, in my further videos we will learn about CSS also. See, I told you last time the HTML, whenever you want to make a web page, it should be the combination of HTML tags and CSS properties. Okay, that makes a web page. Okay, so starting with the HTML tags. Okay, in later stages I will start with the CSS also. Okay, now you can see after giving the heading, what I want is I want to let it be, I want to take some text. Okay, let it be, I say hello world. Do one thing, what I am going to do, I just open my search engine Google. Okay, and just place some dummy text over here, just search for the dummy text. Okay, and this is a dummy text which you can use for your practice purpose. Okay, I just copy it over here, I just copy it. Okay, just copy it from the browser and just paste it on your editor. Okay, I just paste it onto here, over here, and again I just copy it. Okay, and just paste it like this. Now you can see, just close the browser, this one, your Google. Now you can see in this particular editor I have this particular paragraph. What if you see the output, it will come as it is without any formatting. Okay, just save the file and refresh the page. You can see it is coming like this as a single paragraph. It is coming as a single paragraph. Okay, now what I want is I want to do the formatting, like I want to bold a text, I want to italic some text, I want to underline a text. Okay, I want to delete a text. Okay, for that purpose what you have to do, first of all I am going to make the paragraph. See, whenever you want to make a paragraph, just give a p tag. It will start the paragraph, and at the end just close the paragraph tag. It makes the text within the paragraph. This is second paragraph, just give the p tag over here and just close your paragraph tag over here. This is also a pair tag. Okay, this is also called a pair tag. The opening, the combination, the opening and closing combination makes it a paired. Okay, save the file and just refresh the web page to see the output. You can see the output. Okay, this is first paragraph, this is the second paragraphs, and whenever you start a new paragraph, it defines an extra line space in between two paragraphs. Okay, now what about this text? I would like that this text should be the heading. So what tag I should use? You can use any tag from h1 to h6 as I told. Okay, as per the requirement I say h3 I want to give, and just close over here and save the file. Okay, and just refresh it. You can see it will come as a heading. Okay, understood? Now to after making the paragraphs, what I want is I want to make this established will display as bold text. What you have to do, just start the b tag over here, and at the end just close the b tag, that is paired. Save the file and just refresh it. You can see in output it will come as a bold. Okay, see there are synonym tags also, means if you want to bold a text, you can also use a strong tag also, like this. If I put it strong and just close it over here. Okay, save the file by pressing Ctrl S or refreshing it. You can see it will come as bold. You can either use bold tag, b tag or strong tag for same purpose. Now what I want is I want to make this text as italic. What I have to do, I will use I tag and just close it over here, I tag, close. Okay, save it and refresh it. You can see it's called your italic. See, the output will come as a italic text. Okay, now after this one, after making it italic, there is one more tag that is called emphasis, em. This can also be used to make a text italic. Okay, just save it and just refresh the page. You can see this text page editor, where it is page editor, this one you can see the text. This is page editor. Okay, look at here, see, this is page editor. This is also coming as italic. Okay, now after making italic and bold, what I want is I want to underline a text. I want to make this text as underline. So what you have to you have to use a U tag. See, I will like to clarify one thing. If I put a U tag over here and save it and refresh it, you can see it will come as underline. But you can see as compared to the previous versions of HTML, that is 4.01, and the new version of HTML, that is 5.0, you can see there are plenty of new tags in HTML 5.0. Okay, these tags, bold, strong, italic, emphasis, U tag for underline purpose, these all tags are available in the previous version also, that is 4.01. But if I talk about the new HTML tags which is available in HTML 5.0, okay, I'm starting with this. One tag is I want to let you underline a text. There is a new tag INS. INS is for insert, means to underline a text. Okay, you can also U tag is also for same purpose, and INS is for insert, that is for underline. This is a new tag in HTML 5.0. Okay, now if I want to delete a text, I don't want any certain text, just give it a delete tag. See, its output will not appear. Text will appear onto the browser window, but it will come as a deleted. You can see the output. See, this is deleted text, means the strikeout text, the unwanted text you want to display. Okay, that is called your delete tag. Okay, that is bold, strong, italic, emphasis, insert, and delete tag. Okay, now you can see at the bottom of the web page, after making two paragraphs, here I want to write a equation A2 plus B2. Okay, and here I say H2O. Okay, now what I want is I want to make it formatting, like you can say subscript, superscript. Now what I want is I want to make it as equation like A square plus B square, and H2O, you know, is a formula of water. So if I want this two and this two should be above the A and B, then what you have to do, before the to tag, just give a tag SUP in small letters. Okay, it's not case sensitive, and what the rule is, every tag should be in small letters. Okay, SUP, just close the tag and just give it again super and close it. This is called superscript. Okay, it makes the text above the actual text. And if I give here, let it be SUB, this is called your subscript. This is called your subscript. If I save the file and just refresh the web page, you can see the output. This is called superscript, and this is called your subscript. Okay, now if you watching the output, what you are seeing that these two lines are coming within a single line, but actually I have written these two into two different lines, but in the output it is coming in within a single line. So in the case of HTML, we have a break tag to get the output in a different line, just to give a line break. Okay, there we give a BR tag. BR, it's called a line break, and you can see it's a unpaired tag. No need to close it. I told you in the last video that we have two types of tags, paired and unpaired, and every tag which I am using till now is your pair tag. And now this tag is called your unpaired, singular, or you can say empty. Okay, it need not to close it. So save it, just refresh the page, you can see the output will appear in different line. How many line space you want to give, it all depends on the requirement. If I want to give 2 line space, 2 times BR you have to give. 3 line space I want to give, 3 BR tag you have to give. See, refresh the page. Okay, now it doesn't mean that you have to close it. If I close it, it's a wrong syntax. It's a wrong syntax. Okay, it means the paired tags will appear as paired and unpaired will appear as unpaired. Okay, understood? Now one more thing I would like to tell you, that I told you that in HTML we will make the combination of HTML and CSS properties. Okay, that's the way how to make a website. It's a necessity. Okay, now what I want is I want to implement some CSS properties in this particular web page. Okay, see what is CSS all about. CSS is all about cascading style sheets. This is to beautify a web page. Here I will write at the bottom of the web page, let it be, I just give a heading and just implement CSS, that is called cascading style sheets. Okay, I am implementing this particular CSS. You can see CSS, it's a full form, cascading style sheet. It's to beautify the web page. Beautify in what sense? To arrange the elements of your web page. Arrange means I want to change the color, I want to set the alignment, okay, I want to make the layout, alignment purpose. That is called your CSS properties. In CSS we have plenty of properties to use. Okay, in this particular lecture I am just giving you brief introduction how to implement the CSS properties. In the later videos I will give you a brief the actual introduction, the detailed introduction, then how you will implement the CSS properties, starting with the introduction. Okay, now this is a full form, that is cascading style sheets. Now you can see what I want is I want to align this text at the center of the web page, okay, or at the right side of the web page. Then you have to implement the property of CSS. Then you can see if I put h1 after giving space before closing the angle bracket, just give it style equals to, within the brackets, within the curly braces, sorry, within the double quotes, I say text. You can see the properties, all properties, these are the properties of CSS. If I say text align, text hyphen alignment colon, if I say center, this is the value. See how it works. If I save it and refresh it, you can see the text will appear on the center window, center of the web page. Now understand this. See, h1 is a tag. Okay, h1 is a tag. Style indicates that we are going to implement the properties of CSS. Okay, so you can see properties you can implement in two ways. In HTML there are some properties also. Okay, there are separate properties of HTML and there are separate properties of CSS. What style indicates that whatever I am going to write after this, it will be the properties of CSS. Okay, this is the property, text hyphen alignment, and this is center, this is a value. Okay, understood this? This one is the tag, and style indicates that I am going to use the properties of CSS, and this is the CSS property which can be used to align the text to the left, center, right, or justify. Okay, and this is a value. If you see the output, you can see it's coming in the center. Now if this h2 tag I want to make it right, give style. Okay, text alignment is the property and right is the value. Save it and refresh it, you can see. Okay, in text alignment there are 4 values: center, left, right, and justify. Now if I put, you can see the paragraph. In this paragraph your text at the left side is coming in a symmetrical order, in a alignment, but at the right side you can see the text is not in a symmetry. Okay, it is coming here, it is coming here, it is coming here, it doesn't look nice. Now what I want is I want to make this text as symmetrical order, in a symmetrical way. What I have to do, I have to use this particular property within the paragraph, just give style and give this particular property alignment and just give the value justify. Justify make it symmetrical in both directions, left as well as right. Style, if I say text alignment, okay, I say justify. Save it and refresh it, you can see. Now you can see the text is in symmetrical order in left as well as in right order. Okay, this is the way how you can implement the CSS properties. Okay, one thing I would like to tell you that in CSS we will use plenty of properties, starting with this one. Okay, in later videos I will give you detailed introduction about CSS and their properties. Okay, so I hope you all understand this particular properties, how to make the tags, heading tags. Okay, how to use paragraphs, what is the BR tag, that is line break, how to make superscript, subscript. Okay, and a little bit introduction about the CSS. Okay, and how you can implement the CSS properties. Okay, hope you like this video. Okay, if you like this, kindly like this video on my YouTube channel, and to see my more videos on further topics, okay, just press the bell icon to subscribe it to see my latest videos. Okay, thank you.